Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to email management made easy with automated responses with Copilot AI. I will be on my Microsoft account, but this is not free to use Copilot. So you will have to just purchase the plan right over here, and then you will be able in your Outlook option to enable the assistance of Copilot. So if I just scroll down, so you will see this here. You will see you will just only unlock for more credit with Copilot Pro with the AI assistant. You will have to just purchase the plan, but I will just show you the some tutorial how it's works. So let's see.
Copilot in Outlook helps you stay on top of email. You have important emails to respond to. Copilot can help you separate the signal from the noise and give you hours of time back. It helps you triage your inbox so you can prioritize the most important emails. And Copilot helps you on the go in Outlook Mobile. It can summarize long email threads. You can draft a reply, use data from an Excel file, and Copilot will generate a reply for you. You can edit it. You can make it more concise, change the writing style, or add more context. Now all that's left to do is review the proposed response and hit send. It's a productivity game changer.
So in this way, you will have to manage your emails by automated responses with Copilot AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.